In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note when sending money on PayPal. Sending money to friends, family, or even for goods and services on PayPal is incredibly convenient, but sometimes you need to add a bit of context to your payment. A note can be crucial for clarity, record keeping, or simply to personalize your transaction. I'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure your recipient knows exactly what the payment is for. First, you'll need to go to the Send and Request section of your PayPal account. After logging into your PayPal dashboard, you'll typically find this option clearly visible at the top or within the main navigation menu. It's usually labeled as Send and Request, or sometimes just Send Money. This is your gateway to initiating any payment or requesting funds from others. Clicking on it will take you to the Transfer homepage where you can begin your transaction. Once you're on the Send and Request page, the next step is to enter the recipient's email address. It's incredibly important to type this carefully and accurately. PayPal uses this email address to identify the specific individual or business you intend to send money to. Double-checking this information is critical to prevent sending funds to the wrong person, which can be difficult, if not impossible, to reverse once the transaction is complete. After entering the email, you'll generally click a Next or Continue button to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to send. On this screen, you'll find a field to input the specific monetary value. Be sure to also confirm the currency you're sending in, as PayPal supports various currencies, and you want to ensure it's correct for your transaction. For instance, if you're sending USD, make sure that's selected. This is also a good moment to review the recipient's information one more time before moving forward. Once the amount and currency are set, you'll again proceed to the next step. Finally, this is where you can add your note and then send the money. Before you hit the final Send button, you'll see a review screen. Look for an option or a field clearly labeled Add a Note, Note, or Message. Click or tap on this field, and a text box will appear, allowing you to type in your message. This is your opportunity to include important details like birthday gift, reimbursement for dinner last week, payment for invoice number 12345, or any other relevant information that will help your recipient understand the purpose of the payment.